Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. I'm so obsessed with Fortnite right now, I had to print this raven.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
I chose to print this in black. Unfortunately, it does not show up well on camera, so we put a piece of paper behind it so that you can see it better. This is the Fortnite Raven minifigure designed by Malik on Thingiverse. There'll be a link to it in the description below. The problem with this model is that it was going to take a lot of supports, so my dad sliced it in mesh mixer so that we could print it like this. But now I have to glue it. This was printed in AIO Robotics PLA on the Prusa MK2S with the 215-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. I put a 20% infill so that it has a good weight to it. I really enjoyed this model and I was really excited about it. It might be the first one I actually finish. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please send me a check for $1 million. Or subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone, so this joke was submitted by Andy Porch. I got a flat tire. I should have brought